Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Methi Sukke. That is, Methi is Konkani for fenugreek. So it is fenugreek coconut based dry curry, a healthy dish from sprouts. Now, Methi Sukke is usually served as a side dish along with rice. This is a delicacy among the Konkanis, and you will rarely find a wedding or Upanayanam without the dish. But nowadays, with changing times and changes in the food habits of the people, Methi Sukke has become a rarity for functions. Methi Sukke is a dish prepared out of sprouted green gram and sprouted fenugreek seeds. It is a very healthy and nutritious dish that is rich in proteins. No other vegetables are added to the dish. Methi Sukke is slightly sweet in taste and can be even had as such. The dish is good for diabetics and pregnant women. The dish is called Methi Sukke even if the amount of green gram is more in the dish. This is because of the aroma and taste of methi seeds, which sidelines the taste and aroma of the green gram. So coming to the ingredients, you need 3 cups of green gram, 1 cup of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds, a lemon-sized tamarind, 5 to 7 tablespoon coconut scrapings, 3 tablespoon red chili powder or as per your spiciness level, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoon fresh coconut oil, salt to taste. For seasoning, you need coconut oil for seasoning, a spoon mustard and 1 teaspoon urad dal. Now 3 cups of green gram and 1 cup of fenugreek seed is too much for a nuclear family. I have only written it to show the ratio of green gram and fenugreek seeds that you need to prepare the dish. You can adjust the quantity of green gram and fenugreek seeds as per your needs. But the proportion of green gram and fenugreek seeds should be 3:1. Instead of tamarind, you can even use darambo or brindleberry, but the taste is good for and more tastier for tamarind than brindleberry. So these are the sprouted green gram and fenugreek seeds. After sprouting, you can transfer them to the separator of a pressure cooker. Add tamarind and salt to the sprouts and mix well. It is better to use tamarind paste, that is, dissolve the required amount of tamarind in lukewarm water to a thick paste, and then add it to the sprouted green gram and fenugreek seeds. This is for uniform mixing or distribution of the tamarind to the sprouted seeds. Now, if you don't have tamarind, you can even add brindleberry or darambo, but the taste of tamarind is more when compared to brindleberry. Then you need not have to add water to the sprouts in the separator, but see that you add water in the cooker base. After 1 whistle, simmer the flame and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the flame and open the cooker when it has cooled down. See that if you cook it like how I have done, that is pressure cooking, if you do it like that, you won't get fully cooked or that the sprouts form a paste. That version you will not be getting after cooking it in the pressure cooker as I have followed. You can even cook without the pressure cooker also directly in a kadai on the low flame. Then switch off the flame and open the cooker when it has cooled down. Transfer the cooked sprouts into a wide mouth mixing bowl. Add turmeric powder, chili powder and coconut scrapings to the cooked sprouts and mix well. Marinate it 5 to 10 minutes. Now we have to do the seasoning. For that we need mustard seeds and urad dal. Now do the seasoning after marination. Heat oil in a kadai or pan and add mustard seeds, and when they splutter, add urad dal and roast it for a second. Then add the marinade mix and mix well. Sprinkle little water. Cover and cook for 2 to 3. Once done, switch off the flame. Your methie sukke is ready to be served. Now, what to do if you have some leftover sukke at home? You can roast it in coconut oil and it will be even more tastier. You can even store this in the refrigerator and next day morning take it or afternoon take it and roast it, adding little oil to it. It will be even more tastier than on the day it was prepared. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.